Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Service Tutorials. Today we are doing a song called Communion by Maverick, also one of my favorites. The song is in the key of C major, so it's all white keys today. So let's get started. I'm just going to play the intro. The intro and the verse are the same, so whatever I'm going to be showing you in the intro also applies in the verse. So we start off with a F2 chord. You can include the third if you want to. Okay, I just prefer it without the third. Then we go to a slash chord, which is C over E. So I'm playing a C chord on my right. It's a C because I just moved the G to the bottom, so it's in inversion, and I'm playing the E bass, which makes it a slash chord, followed by an A minor chord. So this is more like an A minor 7. So this is how you normally play an A minor chord, but I'm adding a 7th. Because my previous chord is a C over E, I'm just using the same position that my fingers are in and just playing an A over it. This is called voice leading. It allows you to make smooth transitions between your chords. So instead of like making huge strides, like you going from, so there's quite a clear difference in terms of the sound that you're getting. You can also play the chords traditionally. There's nothing wrong with that as well if you're a beginner, but this is how I just prefer to play my chords. So you're giving each chord about 4 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So when you get to the end of the verse, you're going to the pre-chorus. So when you get to that stage, you are playing the same chords that I've just shown you now. It's the same chord progression, but the only difference is that you are playing 2 beats on each chord. So the part where it goes, it was also simple. I think that's how the lyrics go. So you're giving each chord 2 beats, so it goes like this. Okay, so let's head on straight into the chorus. So the chorus, I'm going to go through the whole chorus, and then I'm going to break down what I'm doing. Made a few mistakes there, but hey, I'm only human. So let me just break down what I did there. So they start off with the C major chord, followed by D minor, C over E to F major, and at the end of that they play sort of like the small melody. And then they repeat again. Closer, closer. Here's where the so this is where the progression changes. Start on C major, followed by D minor, followed by A minor, and then F major. And then they go to D minor, to G, and then you end on C. So now going into the bridges. The bridges start with a very simple progression. It's a progressive progression. So we're just starting on D minor to C over E to F. And that's the progression for the first 4 times, and then followed by a slight change in progression, and we play G, A minor to F, and at the end of the bridge they go right back into the chorus. So yes, that was the song Communion by Maverick City. If you learned something new in the song, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more videos coming up soon, so please hit your like. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, you can get the link right down in the description. But for now, I'll see you in the next video.